Hello, and welcome again. Personalizing the cell phone has become the fashion of the day. Most people who use cell phones see their accessories as personal accessories. Once this enters the psyche, they feel the need to make it unique or stylish so that the cell phone reflects their personality. As the majority of the population using the cell phone is predominantly young between the ages of 15 and 45, their tastes vary widely, affected by location factors such as country, culture, music, career, education, etc. This varied taste gave rise to a high demand in the variety. A cell phone can have two types of accessories, hardware and software. Hardware accessories cover fascia, earplugs, and all other physically visible accessories. The software is also called content. In this article, we will discuss wallpapers in detail. The wallpaper can be described as a graphic description that forms the background of a cell phone display unit. Many wallpapers are available, depending on the model of the mobile phone, in the free and paid internet categories. Typically, no cell phone owner likes to keep a single wallpaper for more than a few days. Downloading more than one will help bring the spice to life. Exchanging content on your cell phone domain is simple and takes no time. This exchange instills changes in a routine and dull life. The mobile phone market is at war and is riding in competition today. Design, aesthetics, characteristics, weight, color, etc. They are characteristics that continuously change in this competitive world. The content of newer, and more modern phones also grows every day at the rate that developers can produce. In an attempt to add entertainment and make the use of a cell phone smoother, more and more new content is being developed every day. The content of the visual appeal consists mainly of wallpapers and screensavers only. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time.